Welcome to Reply Guys tool, your AI-powered engagement assistant for X and Farcaster. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to install, activate, and use Reply Guys to automate your replies, boost visibility, and build meaningful interactions, all in one dashboard. Let's get started at yaps.win. Step 1. Installation. Go to yaps.win and click Install Extension. After adding it to your browser, open X or Farcaster, then click the Reply Guys icon to launch the tool. Step 2. Register your free trial. Click the icon, then choose Login with Telegram. Start the bot, tap Buy License, and select Trial. Enter your X profile, confirm, and pay. It's free. Go back to your browser, log in again, and your dashboard is ready. Replies list. Click Reply from Post List, paste your post links, and open Settings. Turn on Auto Like and Auto Retry, and set the delay to around 60 seconds. Save your settings, then hit Start. Your smart replies will post automatically, one by one. Step 4. Newsfeed Auto Reply. Click Newsfeed Auto Reply, open Settings, and add your favorite keywords. Enable filters for Ethos and Wallchain scores to target high-quality posts. Turn on Auto Like and Skip Replied, set your scan and reply limits. Click Save, then Start, and your AI will begin engaging with trending posts in real time. Step 5. KOLs List. Click Manage KOLs, then add KOLs. Add a label, paste your favorite usernames, and click Add All. Go back to the dashboard, select the KOLs you want to monitor, and click Start Monitoring. The tool will automatically reply to their latest 3 posts, consistently and smartly. And that's a wrap. You've seen how Reply Guys tool can automate smart engagement across both X and Farcaster. Now it's your turn. Go to yaps.win, install the extension, and start your free trial today. One click to set up, one dashboard to manage it all. Let's build smarter engagement together.